Hi, I'm Shivasakar. Today in this video, I will show my recent work about in setup GA4. I open all the tabs like Google Tag Manager, and this is my website, and this is the GA4 analytics. So previously I configured all tag trigger variables. You can see, mm, you can see here, like add to cart, checkout, purchase, remove from cart, view item, view search result, all event are here, and I created uh, all trigger and all variable. And this is the analytics debug view, previously connected. So if I purchase the product, then let's see if correctly working or not. I go to preview section and buy a product. So it's connected, and I go to my website and purchase a one product like here. First add to card, and then view card. Then I go to the checkout. Here I give my information and my order is completed. Yeah, thank you. My order is completed and the order ID is 1042. And I go to my tag manager device preview section. You can see my all figure tag is fired. Like this is GA4, this was purchase, this is checkout, then like Google Ads, this is GA4 purchase. All together fire. You can see the data layer here, data layer and product information are coming. And if I go to the analytics, here you can see the purchase events, like purchase events, and go to items. Then you can see the two products with the variable, which name the product, which quantity, then item ID, price. Also, you can see the price. So go to begin checkout. Also is this is, and if I go to user properties data parameters, then we have the transaction ID is 1042 and this is 1042. Right. Also save, this is the value, H2W, and this is the value, and then perfectly it's working.